So before the installation, it depends on what is included in the scope of work, but for us, in our company, a plumber or an electrician may need to come in and disconnect everything before we start to remove the existing kitchen cabinets. You have to think about, when you empty out your cabinets, plates, silverware, glasses, think about where you're going to put them, where you can access them while your kitchen is not in use. Basically, just getting your mind prepared for a little bit of chaos going on in your house. Other than that, just focus on the end result and how much happier you'll be when you have the kitchen that you want.